Hi guys! Do you like my palikad ata? Anyway, I got this sweet stuff from the party today and we're going to taste this. Let me know in the comments what is this flavor. And it's something powdery. Ang loob niya. I think it's crumble. Kasi para siyang crumble. It's good. Hindi ko lang flavor. I like the crumble. This. Kataw niya. Oh, nahulog. Sarap. Put it back in here. Next. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko alam yung flavor niya. Kinuha ko lang. This one looks like blueberry. Blueberry. Last one. Not last one. Well, last squares. Apple. Tastes like apple. Okay. During the party, I got to meet several people. I met like 3 Filipinos. 2 of them don't know how to speak Tagalog. And the other one can. Ano ba? Tikman lang natin siya. May macadamia. Macadamia. Asara na naman ako ba? So much stuff. Okay. Tikman na natin yan. Tikman na natin to. This one naman. Paro lang siya. Chocolate chips cookies. Rectangle. Again, I don't know the flavor. Let me know in the comments. It's good though. It's sweet. Good stuff. Tingnan niyo to. Wait, baby, we're gonna eat this later. No, later, baby.
I'm hungry.
Because if you eat this, you won't be able to eat your dinner.
I'm hungry.
This is not dinner. It's for
What's
snack.
the food?
Yeah. Na ano siya? Na
What's the food?
it's supposed to be
I don't like it cold.
Coconut. Alright. Everything is good. Coconut and honey. This one is coconut, but it's raspberry. Strawberry. Like a jam. Jam. Piece of cheesecake. Last. Wala natin ang kutsara. O tinidor. Kasi sobrang lambot. Lahat masarap. Dami-dami. Kain na ulit. Recommended. Lahat masarap. Mas gusto ko yung soft to. Yung blueberry, hindi ako gano'n na yung apple. Gusto ko yung apple. Ito parang too dry for me. Too dry. Sa akin. Of course, the cookies are good. All the same. Yung mga rectangle, the squares. Squares are done. The rectangle ones, I like the two ones that has coconut. Mostly. And lahat masarap anyway. And the cake is really soft. I like that too. And the cheesecake is good too. Alright, thank you for watching.